This is the coolest. This is one of the coolest things I've seen here at the Consumer Electronics Show, with this machine that is going to take us just like any standard vehicle, with all the potential automation that we see today, to travel, to go from point A to point B. And we don't need roads. I guess how is going to be like the payment of the tolls right now in the next 10-20 years, with all the luxury. This is a moving surface over here. These are the, it's going to be the engine that lifts off this machine. All powered by Bell. Future of travel, drones. I think we have the Skyport here with this super cool drone. I think this is going to be the future of travel. Well, drones are becoming a technology that not only used for taking pictures, but transportation, cargo, and they couldn't be missed at the Consumer Electronics Show 2020. Behind me, we have a very cool one. It's called the SA1, and this guy here is made by Hyundai. So it's a smart mobility solution, and sooner or later you will see your BMW drone, I guess, or your Lamborghini drone, and you will travel flying from A to B with artificial intelligence, all the 5G sensor networks. This is now a possibility, as it will be safer and easier to be done by anyone, not only by a pilot. We saw the big Bell machine there, and then we have a demonstration here of their little aerial vehicle. It's flying there, as you can see. It's pretty cool, and it's gonna land. And there's another one landing and taking off. That's the vision, to transport people from one place to another one. If you see, this is a city. This is how it's gonna happen. The time is gonna fly, and in the next 5 to 10 years, we'll be transporting our kids or ourselves to work using this drone technology. Isn't this amazing? You're watching TechEDTV.